Hello Aviator Ben subscribers. I have a physical move announcement to make, and which I'll be making in the middle of the video while I'm just about to have lunch in Sky Manor. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Linden traffic, Cherokee entering runway 27, departing east, Linden. Is moving.
And above the 3 miles to the east to 7 Mount Linden. We're now left down with 27 Linden traffic. Linden traffic, Cherokee, finish hold on runway 9 on 27 Linden. Keep staying 9.
Somerset Cherokee, 809, turn left face, runway 32 is Somerset.
Linden traffic, Cherokee, taxiing from the Transit area 227 via Alpha Linden.
Brownsville traffic, Warriors 5 miles to the west for 29 Brownsville.
Somerset traffic point, that's a friendly Papa is 2,600, about 4 miles to the southwest. So we're going to be entering the pattern for runway 30. Anytime Cherokee on the roll, we'll do that. We'll go all the way to runway 29 Brownsville.
Cherokee by the BZ 1100 northbound.
If you can go a bit higher.
I cannot. Why? Are you concerned about something? Come on.
No, it's fine.
I can only be between 1100 to, or 1100 to 1300. I cannot violate.
They're taking the Hudson up.
Cherokee Statue of Liberty at 1100 northbound. What was that?
They're taking the Hudson or the East River?
No, the Hudson.
Okay. Don't you have to steer a little bit more to the left?
Yeah. Fuel change. Fuel pump on. Left, right, fuel. Fuel pump off. The pressure check. Complete. Cherokee by the clock at 1100 northbound. It's a beautiful city. Huh?
A lot of painful memories.
Yeah. I know. It's a TFR, so I'm going to have to make a sharp turn here. Shoot.
Say again?
The TFR is on 11, so I gotta make a run here. Shoot, it's very tight. Okay. Oh well, crap. Yeah, misjudged my thing.
Holy crap!
Cherokee turning southbound from northbound. Made it. Okay? Yeah, sorry. Wait. Looking for a radio check. Don't know why
Bravo traffic, 35 Quebec, 8 miles to the east, gonna come straight final for 29 Bravo.
looking for a radio check, please.
5 by 5.
Thank you.
Where's down traffic, Skyline now.
Worried me that I didn't hear anything. It's a bit choppy. I'm sure. Is this the clock behind? Yes. Cherokee by the clock, 1100, southbound. You want to do the Liberty turn around? No? Huh?
I'm good.
You're good, okay. 4 o'clock. Okay, I'll let you wrap up. Cherokee, Statue of Liberty, 1100, southbound. Yeah, she's nice. See you later.
Good to GWB 900 southbound.
Cherokee, VZ, 1100, southbound. Became choppy. Okay, then I have to. So this is Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee, 45 to left downwind, runway 27, Sky Manor. Yes, it's over there somewhere. Oh, I saw the plane. Oh, there, it's right there. There. So hard to see.
Sky Manor storm with 25, sir.
Oh, it looks like a fly baby is there.
Hi, we just landed in Sky Manor. This is actually the second more involved test flight that I did after the annual, which had a lot of challenges. Turns out, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but that magnetos needed to be rebuilt, so that's cost quite a penny, in addition to the cost of the annual, of course. I still love this plane, don't we?
Okay.
And so we took the Hudson tour, sort of a detour a little bit, and we came to Sky Manor to have brunch, and then we're gonna head back to Linden Airport and let my baby relax for one day, and then we're gonna make the long trip to Florida, to our new home. Aviator Ben and co-pilot Rosie have decided to move to Florida. The weather, mainly, that's the reason. And you want to add something?
And some other things.
Other things. Yeah, I wanted to move away from the tragedy. Rosie's son passing. So we just wanted to make a change of scenery and hopefully ease the pain. But anyhow, do you want to add anything to it? Hopefully when we stay in Florida, the pain is going to ease somewhat. It's never going to go away, I'm sure. I know it from personal experience. And yeah, we'll keep you posted. It's going to be a new adventure, new phase in our lives, and looking forward to it. Yep. See you later. Bye. Favorite fly baby, Mr. Hills. How's it
Nice
going?
to see you flying again, my friend.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
How are things for you? I'm videoing if you don't mind.
Oh, sure, sure. Absolutely. Hey, how you doing?
Guess who we bumped into? Our favorite fly baby pilot, Mr. Bill Hills.
Oh, so great to see you guys again. Another season out flying.
Oh yeah.
Look forward to it.
Yeah, same here.
Absolutely.
I'm moving to Florida.
How are you?
So yeah, but I'll be back. I'll be back here 2-3 times a year.
Good.
So-
We'll miss you up here, but I'll be following you on your video,
Yeah.
your blog.
We'll keep on
Absolutely.
touch space and let me
Who
know how
knows?
she's
One day
doing.
you might see this thing fly down there.
Why not?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, for sure.
Absolutely.
Easy to recognize.
Yes, yes. You'll know me for sure.
Okay, Bill.
Okay. Safe flying.
Yeah, you
And
too.
we'll hopefully see you a few times before you head down.
Definitely.
Okay.
Take care.
Nice
Bye
seeing you
bye.
again.
Nice seeing you. Bye bye.
330, 6,000 feet.
330, 6,000, Brickyard 3649.
Brickyard 3697, contact New York 2085.
2085 for Brickyard 3697, good Sunday to you.
Charlie Mike, direct Solberg.
Check with the Solberg, Everett Charlie Mike.
Traffic Cherokee. Left downwind, runway 27, Linden. Traffic Cherokee turning final, runway 27, Linden traffic.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.
Traffic Cherokee clear, runway 27, Linden.